Brand new 2023 Range Rover Autobiography. We've installed a Starline Pro on here at Immobiliser Fit. So with the phone paired up and in range, the vehicle's going to start. You'll hear a melody straight away. There you go. We can select our gear, drive off. If the customer's phone's not here, a thief does a relay attack on the vehicle and they try and steal it. The car's going to start up. When they go to drive away, by selecting a gear, you're going to see it cut out. So we select our gear, see the revs die, and the car cuts out. There you go. Unable to drive it away. Obviously, if this is the customer, their phone's gone flat one day, they're going to want to drive the vehicle. So what they can do is ignition on, go through a code of their choosing. For now, we've kept it nice and simple. 1, 2, 3. Hear that melody. Now we can start it and drive away. As you can see, the car doesn't cut out. If they want to put this in service mode, they can do it through the app with a simple press and hold, or using the buttons